Morgan, and this is my honest, unpaid review of my absolute favorite Lego set ever. So y'all get ready. This is worth every single penny, and here is why. This is the largest modular Lego set yet with 4,002 pieces. This is the 10255 assembly square. Inside the box, we have the numbered bags, base plates, instruction manual, and another large box containing even more numbered bags, y'all. Both the front and back of the box feature a 10th anniversary logo, and the top displays the full inventory. Thankfully, the box is big enough to show all the parts because there sure are a lot of them. This build is going to take you several hours to fully put it all together. There are 33 bags covering 6 segments and a single 306-page long instruction manual. The minifigures are spread throughout the bags. The first notable aspect is the intricately tiled sidewalks and floors. Unlike the past modulars, the sidewalks are sprinkled with little plates that let you pose the minifigures, which is awesome. This set is a love letter to the fan community, and it's packed with details that we love, new parts to drool over, and is just beautiful to look at. I highly recommend this set, and I really hope that you found this review valuable. Have an amazing day and go build something.